Most people view networking as a desperate attempt to take value from those more successful than themselves. They enter elite rooms with their hands out, looking for a favor, a job, or a break. This is the consumer mindset applied to human relationships, and it is the fastest way to be permanently blacklisted from the 1%. High-level social circles are not charities, they are marketplaces. To gain access, you must master the art of social arbitrage. You must learn how to trade value for access. Social arbitrage is the clinical identification of a value gap in an elite network and the systematic deployment of your resources to fill it. In the machine-like grind, we understand that every high performer has a friction point. They may have capital, but they lack time. They may have status, but they lack specific technical data. They may have power, but they lack access to a younger demographic. Your entry into an elite circle is determined by your ability to diagnose these gaps and position yourself as the solution. The first principle of the protocol is the knowledge bridge. Elite circles are often information silos. They have deep expertise in their specific domain, but are often blind to emerging trends in others. If you possess asymmetric information, data that is common in your world but rare in theirs, you have a tradable asset. You are not asking for a seat at the table. You are bringing a specialized tool to the room that makes everyone else more efficient. Arbitrage is about the movement of value from where it is abundant to where it is scarce. Next, we address the credibility proxy. To move from a low-leverage circle to a high-leverage one, you must adopt the signaling logic of the target group. This isn't about faking it until you make it. That is a system failure waiting to happen. It is about clinical alignment. You must demonstrate the same level of discipline, punctuality, and machine-like reliability as the 1%. You prove your worth through the quality of your output. In elite circles, your reputation is a non-depreciating asset. One high-level referral is worth 1,000 cold emails. You are looking for one anchor node, a high-status individual who will vouch for your structural integrity. Then there is the hospitality of utility. Most people try to impress the elite with flattery. The 1% are immune to flattery. They are, however, addicted to utility. Social arbitrage involves performing unsolicited high-value tasks. You identify a problem a high-value node is facing, and you solve it without being asked and without demanding an immediate return. This creates relational debt. You are installing a positive credit into the network's ledger. Over time, these credits accumulate until the network naturally opens its doors to you to ensure your continued utility. The psychology of the 1% in social arbitrage is detached contribution. You enter the room with the mindset that you are already successful and you are simply there to optimize the environment. You don't need anything from them. You are a peer in the making. This lack of neediness is a powerful signal of sovereignty. It suggests that your machine is already running at peak performance and you are looking for system integration, not system support. To execute social arbitrage, you must perform a market scan. What do the people in the room you want to enter actually value? Is it privacy? Is it access to new technology? Is it specialized labor? Once identified, you spend 90 days becoming a subject matter expert in that specific gap. You then enter the environment not as a fan, but as a technical consultant. You trade your specialized value for their access. The network is a marketplace of competence. If you want to trade up, you must have something to trade. Stop looking for a handout and start looking for a value gap. You don't get into the room by knocking on the door. You get into the room by holding the key to a problem they haven't solved yet. Audit the gap, deploy the utility, engineer the access. Social arbitrage is the ultimate force multiplier for your career trajectory. If you are ready to stop networking and start building strategic alliances through value exchange, subscribe. The Relational Architecture series is just getting started. We will see you in the next deep dive.